Welcome to the Rachel Carson Reserve in Beaufort, North Carolina, where educators from across the region gathered for a 2-day immersive estuary workshop this summer. Our dedicated teachers embarked on a journey to explore the estuary, engage with researchers, and discover new activities to bring back to their classrooms. Hands-on exploration was a key component as teachers ventured into the salt marsh, collecting samples and observing the diverse wildlife that calls the estuary their home. One teacher even brought her copy of The Edge of the Sea, where the reserve's namesake, Rachel Carson, speaks of her excursions paddling out to the reserve. It felt like we were literally walking in her footsteps. Throughout the workshop, teachers had the unique opportunity to learn from our Margaret A. Davidson Fellow, local researchers, and even the state sea turtle biologist. Collaborative activities and discussions allowed teachers to share ideas and develop innovative ways to integrate estuary science into their lesson plans. From measuring salt marsh biomass to participating in a sea turtle release, teachers learned practical activities to inspire their students and foster a deeper understanding of our natural world. As the workshop concluded, our teachers left with new knowledge, resources, and a renewed passion for environmental education.